Alright, I welcome you once again to uh, the tutorial, and we'll be moving forward in our tutorial to become the best a professional website designer. And in the last video tutorial we talked about some features in WordPress. Alright, so we talked about the theme, the other posts, pages, all those things. We actually treat them. But now what we are going to be doing is go over to our browser again, type your local host, and you wait for that to load. And note this: when you are working on localhost, you don't necessarily need a data connection to work on localhost, to design on localhost. You can only use data to get some things. Alright, so if I type localhost now, let's wait for that to load. Oh, how could this be? So now we could see that we are having problem in logging in. That is why I will also always tell you that when you are working on localhost, always put on your XAMPP. Just go over to your XAMPP control panel. You could see that this was unable to load because this was not on. This must also be what must be on. We wait for this has come up. Wait for this one also to come up. So then you come over here and minimize that. So let's reload this page and see if it will work. Exactly, that we see it. So we are going with this masterclass, and you click on your WordPress. So wait for that to actually load. And note this: I am not putting on, I didn't put on my data connection. You don't need that to use to design a website on localhost. It's completely free. So let us come over here. This is our dashboard. Let me open that in another tab, and I'll have it here. This is our dashboard, our WordPress dashboard, exactly like this. Alright, so you understand that here we actually deleted all those things because they are not necessary. I want my dashboard to be actually clean, and we did some settings here. We came to our permalink, just talking about the things we did in the last class. So now we'll be talking about the theme, and once I click on the appearance, I go to the theme. By default I have these 3 themes installed, but I don't need these themes. I'm not going to be working with these themes. You could see this one was actually installed. This was what we are using. You could see this. If you check the website here again, you could see this is how the theme look like. So theme is just like a structure of how your website is going to be. As soon as I activate this, it's going to bring out this as well in our website, but I don't need all these websites. I'll be using Kadence in this tutorial as well. Kadence, you can't even find it. So if you just go to, what is it called? You can just go to your browser and go to your browser and type Kadence, download Kadence theme WordPress, just this one. Go over there and download it. After downloading it, it's going to be in a zip form. So I have it downloaded already, so I just need to install it here. So once you download it, you will have it in a zipped form. Just come over here, then you click on add new, then you click on upload theme. You can choose the file you actually downloaded, and I click on that. So we are going to wait for that to load. We are still working on localhost anyways. So let's go to my downloads, and I have it here. Kden's theme, but this is zipped file. I've unzipped it here, but this is a zip file. Just click on it, and or better still, you can just drag and drop it. Like this. I prefer this one. Just take it here and drop it inside here. So you have that. No. Okay. Let me come over to my folder and check for that again. My downloads. This is Kden's theme. Bring it over here. This is giving me no problem. No. But let me just come over here, and that's the best way to actually do it anyways. Just make sure you copy it here. I don't know why it's actually doing this thing. Or better still, let's just choose the file here. Then you upload the zipped file. You can see it here. If you have a theme in a zip file, you may install or update it by uploading it here. You can actually drag and drop it here, or you install it. Then just upload the file, which is this. But okay, it's not going to do because we are working on local host. So that's another method to actually upload the theme. But the best method I would prefer is, let me first of all refresh this. You can upload your theme through that, or better still, you can type here and search for the theme, but your data must be on for you to search for the theme here. So just come over here, upload theme. That's the best way to do. Just go to your folder where you have the theme installed, which is this one. Just come over here. I don't know if you can just copy. Let me cut and no. I'm not working here. Wait, I'm coming over. Our folder, our Kden's theme should be here. Kden's theme should be there. So all you have to do is just to drag and drop it in order to save the video themes. So we have the theme here already. So just need to drag and drop. Just come to your folder, drag and drop it. So you install it straight up. So for this, you will need your internet connection. So you need your internet connection to get this done. But presently, my data is not on, so I won't install it right now. So I'll be installing it in the next video, just trying to show you the ways by which you can do it. So for now, just get the Kden's theme already. Just get that, and we'll be moving to, let's say, our comments. If we click on that, we have no comment here. So this is where people can actually comment on your posts, Probably you set a comment to, for you need to approve a comment before it can show in your website. This is where you can do everything here. You can delete some comments, and so go to the plugins. Presently here we just have these 1 and 2 plugins installed. That's just a default thing. This is, it keeps your website protected even while you sleep. This is one of the website, like a plugin for website security, but we are not going to install that. This also, just leave it that way. We are going to be installing a plugin called the Elementor. So there will be a, what's it called, there will be a plugin sent to your WhatsApp group, or probably in this course. Just check the course description and you will see the link to get the plugin, both the pro version and also the free version of this plugin. That is Elementor and Elementor Pro. We are going to need those two plugins. Alright, so this is where you are going to add it if you want to. So 3 things now you need to get before the next class, which is the Kadians Team, Elementor, both Elementor free and pro version as well. So this is users. Alright, so the first user here is me. Alright, which is the master class. That is the name I actually set here. I can actually come over here and still do what? Edit that. Let's go to our website here. We have master class. That's the user, just like this. So if you come over here again and you click on edit and scroll down and name required, I just put a nickname. I change it from master class and I use another thing. You see, everything could not going to be changed again. Alright, so this is where you can do that if only you want to do that. The admin color scheme, you can actually leave it this way, or probably let's try something like this. You see, these are actually changed, but let's just leave it in default. Let's put it like this. Alright, so that's cool. We can actually add new users. Alright, just click on this and change the settings. You can play around with that. So the profile, that's what we just did now. So, and these tools here, we have the import, the exports. We are not going to use this present. We are not using all this now. So we'll be learning more on this as we move further in the tutorial. And the settings, we have done all the things we need to do here. So for the next video tutorial now, all we need to cover is all we need to get is the Kadians Team, the theme. Just like I told you, just click on Kadians Team WordPress. You will see it on the what's it called, on Chrome, and actually download the file, just the file. So we need that, and also the Elementor. The link will be sent to either your WhatsApp group or the description of this video. Just check it. You see a link for you to download the file. Just have the file on your WordPress, on your laptop, alright, or your personal computer. This is our website. We've not done anything here on it. See, this is the footer here, and this is the name. The website is just like this, nothing else. But in the next video tutorial, we'll be going deeper. So we will do the theme customization. After the theme customization, we install the plugins, the build builders, everything we will be doing. So we are going to create a website. We start with a website on our local host. So in the next video tutorial, that's all we'll be doing for that. So today tutorial, just prepare your mind for the next video tutorial. And of course, I remain Emmanuel. Make sure you put something down, you jot something down, because the next video is going to be very heavy. Prepare your mind and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye for now.